guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Roblox and I'm here with my twin. Hey guys. Now let's go. I'm coming. Oh, I just died. I'll wait for you. Why do you have a deeper voice than me, dude? I don't know. Probably because I'm not as energetic as you, and nor do I have a YouTube channel. Let's not argue on camera, will you? Okay, I'm going first. Okay, let's see how my twin does. And just like that, beaten. Okay, now I gotta get to it. Come on, dude. You missed the checkpoint. Now I'm going first. Okay. Ah, I just died. Haha, now I get to go first. And now you go. Okay, now let's go. Did you just die? Maybe. Are you kidding me? What? I have to redo the whole thing? Wait, do you? Oh my god, you do. Let's just get started, I guess. I got it. Now, let's go. Ow! Are you kidding me? What? I'm still on the donut stage. Wait for me, Jack. Okay. Did you just die again? Yes. Okay, dude, you need to hurry up. You're wasting like 2 minutes of the video. I'm sorry, it's not my fault I died. Okay, now let's go. I'll go first this time. Okay, now we need to watch you. Okay, I'm coming. Let's go wherever we're supposed to go. Where are you going? I don't know. Hang on just a minute. I just died. Oh, wait, I thought I just died. Oh, I'm going through. Jack, you can go first. No, you're going first. Fine. Oh, dude, I played this. Yeah, I watched the video. Dude, can you not, like, fight with me on video, please? Okay, I'm going first. I'm gonna watch you. Oh, I just died. Ha! Now I have to watch you. Yes! I gotta go through the pain of doing it. Okay, I'll watch you. Ow! You both die at the same time! Ow! Ow! That's not funny. Finally. Took literally forever. And now, watch a pro do this, because I've played this before. Yay! Jack, wait up for me! Now, I'll go first, since I've actually played this before. Watch a pro do this, Adam. Okay, Adam, you can go. Okay. Also, why'd you hit puberty before me? I don't know, okay? Well, that's not what we're talking about right now. We're worrying about the game. Dude, don't fight with me. Not on camera. Yeah, guys, we fight a lot off camera. We're not that alike. He doesn't like showing his face on YouTube. Anything, so that's why I didn't do face cam for this video. Yeah, 'cause I made you. Yeah, you made me. Okay, I'm on my way up. Up, here I come. Dude, even though we look exactly alike, you still don't like showing your face in camera. Hey, you went without me! What the heck are we supposed to do here? Oh, yeah, right. Now let a pro go first. You call yourself a pro? Yes, I call myself a pro, you dude. You idiot. Hey, Jack, don't call me an idiot. Now I'm coming. Ow! Okay, where are you? Okay, I'm gonna watch you. Okay. I'm so sorry, guys, for my impolite twin. He's so rude to me, even though I told him right before starting this video to not be rude to me on camera. And what did you do, Jordan? Or Adam, whatever your name is? Be rude to you. Exactly! Be rude to me, even though I told you not to! Whatever, dude. Let's just complete this obby and I can get out of your face. I don't want to see your face right now. That's the rudest thing you've ever said to me, you idiot. Now just let a pro handle this. You call yourself a pro? Yes, I played more Roblox than you, dumma. Okay, I'm here. Let a pro handle this. Ow! Ha! Now I get to go first. You're so rude to me sometimes. I really can't. Now let's go. That growl. Ow! Okay, it's time for me to go first. You didn't even jump over it. Yeah! Oh, that was so close. Ha ha. Let a real pro handle this. Ow. I'm gonna go without you. I might stop waiting for you. Yes! You idiot. You're the idiot, dude. Not me. Ow! I saw his screen and he died. He walked right at it. Okay. So anyways, I'm gonna pause the video and wait for him to just come. Jack, can you please not upload this video? I have to. My fans need to see you. Your mic fell. You can be such a jerk sometimes. You really can. 5 seconds till Jack fixes his mic. Dude, stop. Just like you and Brayden. You have always hated each other. Are you seriously telling them that? Yes, hee. Ow! Ha ha ha! That's what you get, jerk. You're the idiot, Jack. You know that, right? Now, I'm coming after you. You may be better at Roblox, but I'm better at PlayStation, like Minecraft and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm better at you at Roblox because you don't play much. Yeah, whatever, Jack, whatever. Yeah, whatever, Adam, you just died. How did you know I died? How did you know I died? Just have some mad editing skills. Okay, I'm making it. This is so hard. Almost there. A little bit closer and I make it to you. Okay. Now, let's climb up. Climb. You're never as energetic, so my twin isn't as energetic as me, but I'm like right on top of you on my screen. What was it again? It's that one. Okay, Adam, I'll wait for you. Did your mic just fall? Yes, I'll pick it up. Just get it. I'll just pause. Let me get it. Wait, so dude, I have to tell you a thing. What is it? Remember those videos where where you wouldn't get out of my room and stuff like that? And then we like scrambled at each other? Yeah. I uploaded those. You uploaded those? Okay,